Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Google Photos and unlocking some Pixel 9 magic for your very own rooted Android phone. Buckle up because we're about to enable the awesome Auto Frame feature and potentially even the mind-blowing Reimagine tool. Now, there are a few things you'll need before we embark on this Tootin' adventure. Root access. This is essential as we'll be tweaking some system settings. GMS Flags app. This handy app lets us access hidden settings within Google Apps, including Photos. Download it from a video description. Google Photos version 6.99. This specific version seems to be compatible with our tinkering. You can check your version in the Google Photos app settings and update if needed. Alright, let's get started. Open the GMS Flags app and navigate to the search section. Here, we'll look for the magic behind the Pixel 9 features. Type in this package name, com.google.android.apps.photos. This will bring up all the flags associated with Google Photos. Now comes the exciting part, the flags themselves. We're looking for two specific ones. If you see both flags listed, awesome, simply tap the toggle switch next to each one to enable them. However, there's a chance these flags might not be readily available in your app version. Don't worry, we can still try our luck. Here's how to manually add the flags in the GMS Flags app. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, select Add Flag. Enter the flag number. Now, let's be honest, the Reimagine functionality is a bit of a gamble. While some users have reported success, it's not guaranteed to work for everyone. Don't be discouraged if you don't see it show up right away. Once you've enabled the flags either existing or manually added, it's time to see if the magic works. There's no single guaranteed method, but here are some things you can try. Force stop, clear data, reopen. Repeat, let's create a community of rooting Tootin' photo editors. In the comments below, share if you were able to unlock the Auto Frame feature and, more importantly, if the elusive Reimagine function showed up for you. Remember, this method involves modifying system settings, so proceed with caution. We're not responsible for any bricked devices or unexpected behavior. Always research rooting specific to your device and back up your data before proceeding. That's all for today, folks. Hopefully, you've unlocked some Pixel 9 magic on your rooted phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech adventures, and if you have any questions or tips, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy editing.